All right, welcome back to Adventures with BG. Today we're on the ground at Rocks State Park. Kind of a generic name you could find anywhere, so it doesn't really describe what's going on. But we're racing against sunset like I always do. We've got about an hour and a half until the sun sets. So thankfully, it's not a long trail, but we're looking at a lot of cool rock features again, just like our previous video at Wolf Rock. So if you haven't seen that, check it out. So it's going to be steep, looking at just about a mile. So stay tuned and let's check out some of these views. First thing up on this short trail, we've got the King and Queen seat. So just a large rock seats that look like thrones. So aptly named for royalty to sit on. We are way up. Cool first stop. I don't think anything else is going to be quite cool like that, but looks like we're going downhill to continue on to some of the overlooks. Looks like we got ourselves a road crossing. Not excited about going down because I still have to go back up. All right, in hustle mode, we're on the low ground, so I'm able to walk pretty fast because I got that huge fear of getting locked in. We're at another point listed as an overlook. Looks like this rock outcrop is, so let's get down there and look. Beautiful view of the sunset and the creek down there. This would be a great spot to just sit and enjoy your day. Getting close to the parking lot and the countdown to sunset. And of course, it's a huge grind uphill. Oh. All right, making it now. Probably about 2 miles. I went a little bit further. Hopefully we beat the gate. There's a couple of cars up here besides mine. Short hike, but very brutal, especially coming out when you're racing the clock. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out the rest of our Maryland adventures.